In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your GoBank online banking password. We've all been there, staring at the login page and drawing a blank on that much needed password. So whether you've forgotten it or just want to update it for peace of mind, let's walk through this process together step by step. First things first, open up your web browser and head on over to the GoBank login page. It's your starting point for accessing your account and managing your funds. Once you're there, you'll see the login fields, but resist the urge to attempt guessing your password if you're unsure. Instead, click on the Forgot User Email Password link. This handy option is there to help you get back on track without any unnecessary hassle. Now, you'll need to choose from a few different options based on what information you have on hand. If you know your user ID, go ahead and enter that along with your social security number. This combination will help the system recognize you as the rightful owner of the account. If you don't have your user ID but do have your GoBank card, enter the card number and social security number instead. It's an alternative way to confirm your identity. However, if both your user ID and card are out of reach, don't worry. You can still proceed. Simply provide your social security number and zip code. This final option covers those times when you've misplaced both things. GoBank's got you covered. After entering the necessary information, the system will guide you through verifying your identity. It's crucial for maintaining the security of your account, and you might be asked to confirm details like your email address or specific card or account-related information. Follow the prompts carefully, ensuring that every detail matches the data linked to your account. Then it's time to create that new, strong password. Remember, when creating a password, make it something memorable but difficult for others to guess. Incorporate a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters to enhance security. Once you've set it, make sure to jot it down in a secure place if you think you might forget. After creating your new password, you'll be taken back to the login page. This time, use your newly created password to log in. If everything's set correctly, you should have access to your account without a hitch. And just like that, you're back in control of your finances. I hope you found this guide helpful. Remember, keeping your password updated regularly is a great habit for securing your online banking. Thanks for watching, and feel free to revisit this video anytime you need a refresher on resetting your GoBank password.